Attention, all Alpha Legionnaires. I am Retinens the Hero, Chapter Master of the Crimson Tigers. On the 38th millennium, one of you and the Demon Prince wearing your chapter badge teleported onto Domus Secundus, my homeworld's moon. We, the Crimson Tigers, killed your battle brother, but the Demon Prince escaped through a portal leading to Swedetia. On the 40th millennium, whilst purging Eldar raiders, we made contact with your 12th company. That company consisted of 1,900 orcs and 100 space marines. We killed every single one of them. And yesterday, one of our informants informed us that you were doing heretical acts inside your fortress monastery. Then, one of your PDF troopers repeatedly stabbed our informant when he did nothing wrong. On all of our meetings, you were hostile and shitting up on the Emperor and his teachings. We cannot tolerate this any longer. We, the Crimson Tigers, and the Ultramarines and their successors, declare war upon you. Expect us!